Hi, welcome everyone. This is my first video about cars. I'm car enthusiastic. I would like to fix cars on my own. This is Ford Focus MKII diesel 2007 and I'm trying to change the cabin filter. I think this is the most difficult car to work with in terms of cabin filter, because here you have to unscrew. This is the accelerator, so you have to unscrew this and then get into tight space, and up there unscrew this, and then there is a similar one here where you have to unscrew. It's really tight space, and then you need to unscrew this one and that one, and then the cabin filter is there. So yeah, I'll open them up, and then when I pull the cabin filter out, I'll resume again. I don't know if I can. I don't have mobile holders and all that. Maybe I'll fix that next time, but this is good enough to see. 3 screws, take it off, and then 2 screws, remove the cover, and then you have a cabin filter in there. Well, finally I took those 3 screws off. Now I can move this thing aside. Oops. Yeah, I don't want to remove that top cable thing. Maybe I should. Yeah, fits easy enough. Yeah, good. Yeah, so now this is off. Now, these were actually, by the way, 10. So I used this one. No, not this one, but 10 millimeter to open these, but those are smaller. I think those are 8. So yeah, let's take them off. So finally, after a bit of a fight, this came out. Oof, this looks really bad. Dirt and I don't know, oil or mold. It was a really tight space, and it was really hard to get it out. I don't know how I'm going to put the new one, but that's also going to be a struggle. So a lot of dirt came out with it, so I'm glad that I'm changing it. This is like a piece of shit, so I'll just bam, throw it away. Ooh, look at that. Compared to that one, maybe that also that had some gray texture, but this is white. Looks super nice. Now I'll have super clean air. Wow. But one can say that why you're doing it yourself and not paying mechanic to do it in dollars, maybe $20, $30, $40, but when you want to do it, when you like to do it, it's like I like to do it, so that's why I'm doing it. Well, after much work, now the filter is in, these 2 screws are in, and now I've put this one in, this one in, and this one in. Cable is still off, so I'll just tighten them and put the cable back, and then we are done. This is the most difficult cabin filter I have done in my life. But for some Ford Focuses, I have seen videos on YouTube. They are somewhere under or on the side of the glove box, but you have to check. You can simply check, go in there and see if you have this kind of a black long box and screws. So is there. So yeah, well, the cabin filter is done. I bought it from an online website. It was pretty cheap, so I think it's good to do it every year or 2 to have a clean air inside, nice fresh air without any smell. And this is the first video that I've made. I've done these things, but this is the first time that I've started making videos. So help me to grow my channel. Comments, suggestions, complaints, all are welcome. Subscribe, and I'll make more videos starting with the Ford Focus. But yeah, I have to fix generator and brakes on this car, so yeah, there will be more videos. Right now I'm also changing tires